If you need something that is really gonna get the party going, check out the Talent PS215M4. It's a powered speaker with a large 15-inch woofer for hitting maximum volume and low end. Featuring 1/4-inch mic input, as well as an aux and stereo RCA line-ins, the system gives you a variety of input options. Use the microphone that comes with it for karaoke or announcing events for a party. On the mixer, you get the ability to stream from Bluetooth or to play music from SD cards and USB. With the built-in graphic equalizer, you can dial in the sound you want. A 30 to 50-inch stand is included, lifting your speaker over 6 feet high. Use the remote to change up your tunes. Add lighting effects to your show with the built-in LEDs that backlight the woofer. When you're done, there's a handle and wheels for easy transport. Bring the party wherever you go with this awesome Talent Portable PA. Available now at Parts Express.